Hey guys, Matt Johnson here and welcome to another episode of Beer and Watches. Now on today's episode, I'm going to show you an incredible magic trick that you can use to fool your family and friends using nothing more than a wristwatch. Now don't click away from this video because this one's going to blow your mind. Times are ticking, so let's get stuck in. Hey guys, Matt Johnson here and welcome to Beer and Watches. Now, happy hump day. We're already halfway through the week. I hope you're having a great week. I'm going to teach you a magic trick that you can do to fool your family and friends right now. I'm going to do the trick for you through the screen to you live in your home, and then I'm going to teach you how it's done. So don't click away. Make sure you watch every part of this video. Now, what I want you to do is I want you to think of a number on the watch, an hour. Choose one of those times in your mind right now. Have you got one? Good. Now, there is absolutely no way that I could know what that number is. It is absolutely impossible. Here's what I want you to do. In a moment, I want you to focus on the number 12. And when I say go, you're going to count clockwise around the clock, counting 1 hour for every letter in your number. So for example, if you chose the number 2, and if you did choose the number 2, that's amazing, thank you and good night. But that's not the trick. If you chose the number 2, you start at 12 and you count 1 hour for every letter in your number around the clock clockwise. So you would go TWO and you would end up on the number 3. Does that make sense? Good. Okay, so before you move, I'm going to take my watch here. I'm going to set my watch to a specific time of day on the clock that I could not possibly know in advance, and I'm going to do that right now. Okay, so I've got that. It is set, and I'm going to set that right there so it cannot be changed, and this watch will stay in view at all times. Now, start at number 12 and count round the number of letters for the number that you are thinking of on the clock face. Go ahead and do that now. I can wait. Are you there? Good. So now you're on a new number which I could not possibly know. Now I want you to look at that new number and I want you to count round again, counting 1 hour for every letter in that new number. Go ahead and do that now. You done? Good. Finally, you're on another new number. We'll do this one more time. Go ahead and take the letters in that number and count round 1 hour for every letter in that new number. Go ahead and do that now. Almost there? Perfect. So now you're on a number that I could not possibly know. I want you to focus on that number. You've moved 1, 2, 3 times, and now you're on a brand new number on the clock, an hour on the clock that I could not possibly know. Focus on that hour now, and I believe that you are at 1 o'clock. Incredible, right? Okay, if I fooled you with this, then do me a favor, go ahead and hit the subscribe button right there to the right of the screen and give me a thumbs up. Lock that in right now. I'll give you a minute and then I'll teach you how this is done so you can fool your friends. Go ahead, I'll wait right now. Subscribe button, give me a thumbs up. Perfect. All right, so here's how it's done. Basically, it's automatic. That's it. So right now I'm doing it with this clock here on the screen, but you're going to do it at home for your family and friends with your watch or with their borrowed watch. All you have to do is take the watch, and this is used as a visual aid kind of thing for the trick. Now, you ask them to think of a number from 1 to 12 in their mind, and then they are to start at the number 12. Now, let's presume that they pick the number 1. Okay, they're going to count round clockwise 1 hour for every letter. So if they're starting at 12, O-N-E would end up on 3. Now 3, T-H-R-E-E, is made up of 5 letters. So they would count T-H-R-E-E, which would put them on 8. E-I-G-H-T is 5 letters. So 8, E-I-G-H-T, and they'll end up on the number 1. They will always end up on the number 1 no matter what their starting number is. And that's the cool thing about this trick, because it's self-working, works every time, but it will blow their minds. So all you have to do before you do the trick is make your prediction. You can write it down on your hand, you can write it on a piece of paper and fold that piece of paper up and put it on the table, whatever it is. However you want to reveal that prediction, make your prediction and then do the trick. And then if your spectators calculator follows those directions, they will always end up at 1 o'clock. It is an absolute miracle. So go out there and blow some minds with it, impress your family and friends, and you too can be an incredible magician using nothing than your wristwatch. Now, the originator of this concept is a magician, a magic inventor by the name of Jim Steinmeyer. So I want to say a big shout out to him. And also I want to say a big thank you to my good friend and incredible magician, Diamond Jim Tyler. Diamond Jim has a series of books. There are 3 in the collection. He's now writing the 4th book. It's called the Bamboozler books. And those books are available at this link right here. I'll also put a link in the description below. Those books are hardbound. They are $19.95 US each, or you can get all 3 for $49.95. They're incredible. They're full of bar bets, stunts, gags, tricks, all kinds of stuff that you can do to impress your friends. I don't get a single dime from the sale of those books. It all goes to Diamond Jim Tyler, but I took this great watch trick out of that book with Diamond Jim's permission. So if you loved it, go ahead and fool your friends, but also go ahead and pick up Diamond Jim's books by going to this link right here or clicking on the link in the description below. Well, that's it, my friends. Happy Wednesday, happy hump day. I hope you're enjoying your week. We'll see you again on Friday for more beer news and watch reviews. Now, if you haven't seen it yet, go ahead and click on this video right here. Go ahead and click on the icon right there to subscribe. We'll see you again soon. Bye for now.